Hey y'all, welcome to our channel MF Cooking. Today we're making jalapeno coleslaw. Let's get cooking. For this recipe you will need coleslaw, jalapenos, green onion, cilantro, shallot, lime, mayonnaise, Dijon mustard, salt, black pepper, sugar, and white vinegar. Begin by thinly slicing 2 jalapenos. Chop only the green part of 3 stalks of green onion. Thinly slice a shallot. Chop up some cilantro. For the dressing, combine a half cup of mayonnaise, 3 tablespoons of Dijon mustard, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, the juice of a lime, and 1/4 cup of sugar. To a large bowl, add 1 bag of slaw, shallot, jalapenos, cilantro, and green onion. Give it a toss. Pour your dressing. Make sure to get it all in there. Season to taste with salt and black pepper. Mix it all together until evenly combined. And there you have it, jalapeno coleslaw. We hope you all enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and hit that notification bell. And remember to tell everyone you know, them MFers be cooking.